Discover the benefits of investing in BTO apartments in Singapore. Building your own home in Singapore is an exciting and rewarding experience. Build to order. BTO Apartments in Singapore allows you to design and build a property that perfectly suits your needs. And BTO apartments come in a variety of sizes, shapes and styles, allowing you to design your dream home. The process is simple and straightforward, with everything from choosing the plot of land to designing and building the house, all done by experienced professionals. Also, the process is typically complete within 2 to 3 years, making it a viable option for those looking to relocate quickly. With BTO apartments you can enjoy the comfort and security of living in a brand new property that suits your needs exactly. From customizing the layout to choosing the perfect furnishings to choosing the perfect paint colors, you are in complete control of the look and feel of your new property. And you can feel confident that all building and building materials used are of the highest quality. So if you are looking for a way to build the perfect home for your family, consider BTO Apartments in Singapore. Here you will find the perfect property, tailored to your taste and needs.